They dot the skyline, and many of you have called asking about those construction cranes that you see in downtown West Palm Beach. What will happen to those in hurricane force winds?
The city has asked contractors to secure them, but securing a crane doesn't necessarily mean what you might think. Contact 5 investigative reporter Maris Badcock here to explain. Maris?
Securing a crane actually means unlocking it so they can move with the wind in a sort of counterbalancing act. And while West Palm Beach city leaders say there's no reason to be alarmed, a city to our south says cranes and hurricanes don't mix.
Construction cranes and hurricanes, unlikely dance partners. There's no time to move them, so emergency officials in West Palm Beach have asked contractors to secure them as Hurricane Irma approaches.
Our guys are going out and checking every construction site, including our own.
In high wind situations, officials say cranes aren't supposed to stay wrought in place. Instead, cranes need a little leg room for the best chance at remaining upright during Irma's high winds.
You'll still see cranes. We are telling people to unlock them. And you will see them move with the wind, but they will be safe.
People living near a crane are not being asked to evacuate and shouldn't be alarmed if they see a crane swaying in the wind. But not far away in Miami, city officials say the opposite and want people living near cranes to evacuate immediately. Miami officials estimate their cranes can only withstand up to 145 mile-per-hour winds.
How concerned are you guys about the cranes and making sure that things that could be projectiles during the storm are secured?
So we're working on that now. Our building department is going out and working on that. Depending on the path of the storm, it's uncertain right now, and once we know that, we'll get a better direction.
The counterbalance of a crane arm is extremely heavy, so if that collapses, you are looking at catastrophic damage. Now, West Palm Beach officials will continue to update people on construction site advisories as Hurricane Irma makes its path more known. Live in the newsroom, I'm Maris Badcock, WPTV News Channel 5.